What the key need was visibility. So visibility into the business as to who are the top performers, which product range is doing well, which region is doing well, all those questions which a typical sales organization wants to know. There was a lot of impatience in the decision makers. They wanted something which didn't take a huge implementation cycle. Also, the key thing was it needed to be easy. They didn't want something which was complicated, needed huge technical IT skills, so something which was easy for them to use.
We are able to have a consolidated view of all the data available across applications into one single system like QlikView.
Data presentation part is also important. So single view, which can help you to take the quick decisions, the real-time decisions. So people should be able to take the quick decisions, and we wanted to have an analytical solution which will cater to everybody's need. Like as I said, right from CXO to the SM level, sales manager level.
We realized that our data was strewn across 3 ERPs, 5 businesses, 12 different locations, domestic and international. So there was a major challenge of consolidating this in the first place. We needed, information systems which would integrate this entire data layer.
50 different tallies and 50 cost centers within Tally. And so QlikView helped us to kind of get them all together.
The senior management was looking at crisp analysis, wisdom, not really information overload.
Why we picked up QlikView is the concept of cheap memory and increased computing power, cost-effective part. We were a startup and we didn't want to spend kind of crazy money, fairly in our budget.
So why QlikView? One was that it was very simple to deploy. Reasonable budget. Most importantly, it gave what we needed. So simple to use and the functionality that our people were looking for. Various analysis, year on year, product group wise, XYZ, all kinds of dimensions are there, and Excel download feature.
Faster decision making, better costs and so on. There were some things that that came as an additional surprise for us. I mean, from the single source of data concept, operations and management refer to the same data. It started becoming more cleaner and dynamic.
We started out of enthusiasm. We liked the product a lot. Most of the concepts that they have, the cheap memory thing, the computing power thing, Gartner's view, Google's association, the look and feel is intuitive. I mean, you really don't need an IT guy to explain it to you.
Quality, when I speak about quality, QlikView product has been a very, very good partner for us in reaching this goal. Skills in QlikView were quite very good. Business understanding and translation was quite high, and the development time they took was very, very low.
It also gives a lot of discrepancy data, which is very important to business. One of the best parts about QlikView is the very intuitive presentation layer, but you don't need to train them much. Probably just one VC, you show them the features, and they're up and going. We even import data from other like IRDS sites. They publish data for other competitors. So we put them into QlikView and do an industry comparison.
Excel sheet reports, what we were circulating it manually, we said that stop those Excel sheets, and the same reports can be available on the QlikView. QlikView caters to the management level data or management level information. This helps us to give all the data available in a very quick time.
We've now developed a lot of dashboards around financials. We are able to get our profit and loss statement, balance sheet at the click of a button anytime across the month.
The user interface, that the presentability is very, very high. Time to deliver, I should say simple to medium level complexity reports could be delivered within 2 hours. One of my major achievements under QlikView, from nowhere to we have reached a quality dashboard. I'm not trying to sell QlikView.
The fact that you can do some bit of predictive analytics using QlikView is what interests us.
Since we implemented BI, the number of days of inventory has always been less than the target put by the company. It helps our sales people to just look here and see where a particular product or a model is lying. Helps them in taking quick decisions if they have to push inventory into the dealer or in the market. We get real-time sales update. So our data is refreshed every hour.
We got a Network Computing Edge Award in 2009 for this particular implementation of QlikView and QlikView. Thank you.
Now today, if I want to develop a report, I can promise within a day I can give it. It's not a big deal.
Team Computer is a partner whom we are engaged with for the past more than 3 years now.
Team Computers, if you see this list, they have widespread experience. Their experience will definitely help us.
We first sat with team and we figured out that these are the information requirements that we had. They had done similar work for a lot of other companies.
The POC that was done by Team Computers by Rajendran and Ranjan really helped us in sealing this decision. We did a quick POC in about 10 days and presented to the management, and they could see the value in terms of what our vision was.
We had Team Computers coming in, and we selected QlikView.
I was really surprised to see 50, 52 customers. When we started, everybody used to take few names. While I saw these numbers, I was really wondering, the service which we had day one and the service what we have today, yeah, it's the same thing. The customer base has grown, and which is, thanks to the Team Computers. They have kept the same level of deliveries, and it is really good. Thanks to Ranjan, thanks to Rajendran. We still have a long way to go, and they will definitely help us to go ahead.